In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Canva recording. Whether you recorded your screen, your camera, or a voiceover inside Canva and now want to remove it from your project, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly what to do. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have your design open on the screen. This should be the design where you originally used or uploaded the recording you want to delete. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the correct project helps you avoid accidentally removing the wrong file. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand side of your screen and find the Upload tab. This is where Canva stores any files you've added to your account, such as images, audio, and videos. Go ahead and click on Upload. When you do this, you'll see several categories appear, usually including options for images, audio, and videos. Next, click on the Video section inside the Upload panel. This is where Canva lists all the video files associated with your account or current project, including any recordings you've made directly in Canva. Give it a second to load if your internet connection is slow or if you have a lot of files. It can help to recognize your recording by its thumbnail, file name, or the time it was created, especially if you have multiple similar clips. Now, locate the specific recording you want to delete. When you hover your mouse over that video thumbnail, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Move your cursor over this recording and click on those 3 dots. After clicking the 3 dots, a small menu will appear with different options related to that video. In this menu, you'll see an option to delete or remove the file. Select that option to delete your Canva recording from the Uploads area. If Canva asks you to confirm, read the prompt carefully so you're sure you're removing the correct file, because this action may be difficult to undo later. Once you've confirmed the deletion, the recording should disappear from your videos list. If it still appears, try closing and reopening the Uploads panel, or refresh the page to make sure the changes are applied. From this point on, the deleted recording will no longer be available to drag into new designs. And that's all you need to do to delete a recording in Canva, using just the Uploads panel, the Video section, and the 3-dot options menu.